Hello friends, how are you? Today my topic of discussion is SOF Science Olympiad for class 4. How to prepare for the Olympiad, what books are required, etc. etc. and where the books are available, like that. First, the child should go through this book. This is the MTG book, Science Olympiad Preparation Guide for class 4. This is useful for both level 1 and level 2. You know that there are two levels in class 4. If the child is selected for level 2, then the child will appear for the next exam, level 2 exam. Now the contents of the book. Contents: Chapter 1 Plants, Chapter 2 Animals, Chapter 3 Food and Digestion, Chapter 4 Human Needs, Chapter 5 Matter and Material, Chapter 6 Force, Work, Energy, Chapter 7 Our Environment, Chapter 8 Earth and Universe, then 2 model test papers. The book is not colorful or look-wise not attractive, but very informative. The child should go through this book thoroughly, should read the informations and then should do the exercise and self-test. After each chapter, hints and explanations are given. And there are 2 model test papers with answers and explanations. This is model test paper, and after each test paper there is OMR sheet. This is answer. Now this one. This is also a MTG book, Science Olympiad Workbook Class 4. Please check the edition. This is 26-27 edition. The chapters are same: plants, animals, food and digestion, human needs, matter and material, force, work and energy, our environment, art and universe. One more chapter is there, that is logical reasoning. As in the question paper, there is a part of logical reasoning in Science Olympiad, and there is one Olympiad question paper, that is SOF National Science Olympiad 2025. Hints and explanations are given. The book is very colorful and attractive. In small, some informations are given in gist before each chapter. Then the questions are there. After each chapter there is OMR sheet and answers are also given with explanation. Hints and explanations. Please check the edition before buying. Please buy 2026-27 edition. Now previous year question paper. Science Olympiad previous year's paper. This is there are question papers of there are 10 question papers from 2021 to 2025, both set A and set B. But this is only for level 1. For level 2, if the child is selected for level 2, you have to buy another previous year paper. Just go through the book. First there is logical reasoning, 5 marks, then science questions, and then achiever section. In achiever section there are 5 questions containing 2 marks each. OMR sheet is provided. You have to buy these 3 books. These 3 books are available as a set. These are available both in MTG site and in Amazon. I will give you the links for buying the books in description box. And if you don't want to buy all the 3 books, just buy these 2 books, or by just this one. This is very cheap. And for previous year questions, go through YouTube. There are previous year questions in YouTube. Please go through it. Just you have to search for previous year questions. Okay, thank you. Best of luck.